Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to get certification for service dogs. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to get certification for service dogs is www.dog-obedience-training-revieww.com. Specifically the page titled How to Train a Dog, Dog Training Tips and Techniques for. Here's the link. You can also try 11159.r.msn.com, especially the page Become a Dog Trainer, Hands-on Certification Program. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site 2648172.r.msn.com. The web page Certify Therapy Dog Now. Get Therapy Dog certified today. Here's the link.